Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen useful items that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5. The Vigor Path. Collapsible cutting board is a versatile kitchen tool that offers convenience and functionality. Made from durable silicone material in a vibrant orange color, this cutting board is designed for multi-purpose use. With dimensions of 12.2 L into 16.73 W into 1.18 Th, it provides ample space for chopping, slicing, and dicing various ingredients. One of the key features of this cutting board is its collapsible design, making it ideal for camping and travel purposes. The collapsible feature allows for easy storage and transportation, making it a practical choice for outdoor activities. Additionally, the board can be easily cleaned as it is dishwasher-safe, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. The Vigor Path. Collapsible cutting board is not just a regular kitchen tool.
Number 4. Prepara's Herb Saver Pod 2.0 Set of 3 in white is a well-crafted and functional product designed to enhance your culinary experience. Made by Prepara, a trusted brand in kitchenware, this Herb Saver Pod set is a must-have for anyone who enjoys cooking with fresh herbs. The sleek white design of the pods adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, while the durable plastic material ensures longevity and easy maintenance. The dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you more time to focus on your creative cooking endeavors. With a generous capacity of 2 pounds per pod, you can store a variety of herbs for extended freshness, preventing waste and ensuring that your herbs stay flavorful for longer periods. Whether you're an amateur cook or a seasoned chef, the Prepara Herb Saver Pod 2.0 is a practical and stylish solution for preserving and showcasing your favorite herbs. In conclusion, the Prepara Herb Saver Pod 2.0 set of 3 in white combines functionality.
Number 3. The Martha Stewart. Thayer 16-quart enamel on steel scratch. Resistant steamer stock pot offers a substantial capacity of 16 quarts, making it suitable for preparing large batches of soups, stock stews, and more. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a painted finish in Martha Blue, this pot not only provides excellent heat distribution, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Equipped with a ceramic enamel coating, this stock pot boasts scratch-resistant properties, ensuring its longevity and maintaining its sleek appearance even after extensive use. The oven-safe feature further enhances its versatility, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop cooking to oven finishing, a convenient option for a wide range of recipes. Manufactured by Gibson Overseas Inc. under the Martha Stewart brand, this stock pot combines quality craftsmanship with aesthetic appeal to meet the needs of home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike, whether you're simmering broths or blanching.
Number 2. Sink Shroom has once again delivered a remarkable solution for all your sink drainage woes with the Sink Shroom revolutionary clog-free sink strainer basket. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel in a polished finish, this strainer basket not only complements your sink but also ensures optimal functionality. Measuring at 4.44 inches in width and 1.25 inches in height, the Sink Shroom strainer basket fits seamlessly into most standard sinks, providing a reliable barrier against debris without impeding water flow. The sturdy stainless steel construction guarantees durability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any household. What sets the Sink Shroom strainer basket apart is its innovative design that effectively captures hair, food particles, and other debris, preventing clogs and ensuring smooth drainage. Cleaning and maintenance are effortless, thanks to its durable material and polished finish that resist tarnishing and corrosion.
Number 1. The Amazon Basics Rectangular Non-Slip Stain Anti-Fatigue Standing Comfort Mat is a versatile addition to both home and office spaces. Its sleek black color and Amazon Basics brand assurance make it a reliable choice for consumers seeking both style and functionality. The special features of this mat, including its non-slip and stain-resistant properties, ensure a safe and easy-to-maintain surface for daily use. The anti-fatigue design of the mat provides added comfort, making it ideal for long hours of standing in various settings. The rectangular shape and classic mat pattern make this product suitable for blending seamlessly into any environment. Additionally, the product care instructions recommend laundry cleaning, which enhances its convenience and durability. Overall, the Amazon Basics rectangular non-slip stain anti-fatigue standing comfort mat is a practical and high-quality option for individuals looking to improve their comfort and safety while standing.